All right. I'm back a little later than expected today, Saturday. Forgot I had plans. But I'm here. Wait, hopefully some people are still awake. Do something fun. I don't know how much time I'll be able to stream today. Hey, what's up? We got 157 here in Discord chat.
Yo, it's good. How are you, Snipe?
Oh, good. Man, it's a hectic day. I totally forgot I already had plans like with family that I was like totally spaced on. I was gonna do my stream starting around noon my time, and they're like, "Are you coming to meet us for lunch and all this?" I was like, "Oh yeah."
I mean, it happens. It happens. Family's
Right.
important, you know?
Yeah, it was fun. It's my aunt, my mom's sister, and some cousins I haven't seen in forever coming up from Texas. So yeah, it was
Oh,
good. It
damn.
was good to see them. It's been a while.
What's
But
the plans for the stream today?
I have no idea. I literally just got home, fed the dogs, and then jumped on. And
I,
I don't know.
I see,
You
I
got any
see.
suggestions?
Oh, man, I don't know. I'm pretty, like, burned out, because I was playing, like, the CTF for, the past, what is it, like, 2 days now, I think? So,
Oh
I
yeah,
don't know.
is it still going?
Like, 6 hours left. We're like fourth on the leaderboard right now.
Oh shit. Are there any ones you haven't solved that I might be able to help with? Maybe that'd be fun.
Ooh, so, I mean, we
Am I
have
allowed to
one,
do that on
like,
stream? I don't know. I don't think it
I
matters.
mean, I'm sure
Six
you're fine,
six
but
hours left. It's probably fine.
we mostly solved like all of them. We only have like 2 web challenges to go. But they're pretty hard. Like they're like kind of the last two. We have a jail challenge, like breaking out of a Python jail. It's also hard, like the least
I'm
solves.
good at that. I like
You wanna
those ones.
try?
If it's web based, that's kind of my jam. Um,
I mean, the Python jail is like it's on a Netcat listener, and why this one is hard is I think I don't know. This one is very hard. They have to use like built-ins or something, you know?
yeah, I
Uh,
solved one not that long ago. But the irony is my memory's so bad, I'm probably going to like relearn it all and like Google the same things. Naysayer, what's
here,
up? Welcome to the stream. Hanging
here.
out.
I'm gonna DM you right now. This is the whole source code for the jail, but I think it's like pretty hard. Check it out. I think you're only allowed to
Sweet.
use like 72 characters. If you can find a way to break out of that, that'd be insane, man.
Oh yeah,
And
that,
also
that
just
is a much trickier one than what I've seen. That's
yeah,
it?
this
That's
is
the
like
entire code?
that's the entire code, and there's only 3 solves on this challenge out of like 500 teams. So it's a pretty
And
tough one, I
there's
think.
just you just need to return a flag. You're not trying to get like a reverse shell or anything, right?
No, 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 no. You just have to read the flag that's stored in the same directory as this application. So uh, it's pretty straightforward. Yeah, we only have like I mean, we solved like everything from crypto, OSINT, pen testing, almost all reverse
Hell
stuff.
yeah. Nice.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
yeah.
Oh,
It's definitely
wow.
like the best CTF I've ever played. So
Hmm. Yeah, I guess I can move this over here to share it on the stream really quick. Um,
definitely an interesting one to
yeah,
see.
yeah, it's really, really simple. And I'm still honestly kind of a noob at Python. Like, I've been doing a lot of it this past year, but I still don't know it as well as all the other languages. So my gut says this is running eval on your input as long as it doesn't have double underscore. And is
Yeah.
this overriding so that there are no built-ins anymore?
Pretty sure. Yeah, actually.
Hmm.
One of my teammates, he solved like all the other jails. This is like literally the last one. We've been like slamming it. I'll show you like what we kind of had in mind right now. I'll DM you it.
All
This
right.
is what like he had in mind, doing something like that. But once again, they have underscores as you can see,
Yeah.
and I think what Docker this jail is running on, it's like the newest Python version. And usually with the jail challenges, they try to, include something like very new because they include like these new niche topics into it that not a lot of people know about. So you have to read a lot of like documentation for it.
Dex Lulz in the house. What's up? What CTF? Naysayer is asking what CTF this is. Is this one that you shared on my
No. This is
server?
BYU CTF 2023.
Oh, wasn't one of
I
them.
can screen share if you guys want. I'm doing the write-up for like a challenge, actually.
Cool.
But yeah, I don't want to like really share it because the CTF's not over yet. And that was a pretty hard challenge that I solved. I really thought about the, like outside the box. I don't think it was an intended way.
This is
of
a
doing-
really interesting one. I'm very curious. Do I have a CTF over? Yeah. So is there just a file called flag like in the directory? Are there any other prerequisites I should know? Well, I guess like all you. Sorry.
No. There's literally only flag, and you just have to find a way to read it. And your solution has to be under 72 characters.
Is it a
Just
file
flag.
or a variable?
It's a file. Flag.txt. So,
And you know the absolute path, or is it just relative? You just ask for flag.txt where this is ready? Probably.
it's in the same directory, so
Okay, all right.
yeah, it's not an absolute path.
Okay.
We
Hey,
actually-
Snorks, what's up?
We solved one. Imagine like there's a jail challenge, right, in Python, and you cannot use letters or numbers.
That sounds like
That's
a fun
pretty-
one. That sounds like a fun
Yeah.
encoding one. or
I'll tell
something.
you how to solve it. Like in like what 4 hours? Like I'll DM you the solution we had. It's like I don't know how like one of my teammates thought that. Like he just thought like completely outside the box, man. It was like insane.
Nice. I remember when I did the Cyberpocalypse for Hack the Box last year, and that was a lot of fun. There were some really, really cool hard web ones. But I've been too busy with life and work stuff. I haven't actually been doing enough hacking. I've been playing a little bit on King of the Hill as usual, but not as much as I usually do.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, so let's fuck with this. Oh, excuse me.
Something with globals, Holmes? You cannot use underscores, I'm pretty sure. So it has to be like kind of a one-liner. Yeah, Holmes, this one is
Yeah.
like definitely a hard one. We're definitely
What's
like, if
up?
we don't solve it, we're definitely gonna try.
Oh crap! Look at how many
So-
people just joined in the Discord channel. That's
Oh,
awesome.
Dude, a lot.
We got a crew. Holmes is here. I'm excited to have you. This is the crew that I've been recruiting with a lot of help from Trapnetize, mostly out of King of the Hill. So hopefully to help you guys if and when there is more energy to be put into King of the Hill.
Was I one of the first?
You were one of the first people that I met, yeah. Through the Try Hack Me.
So what's
Guitar
this?
guy. Player of guitar. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream. We're gonna try this jail a little bit, I guess. Is there? You said there was another one unsolved?
No, we solved all. That's the last one. It only
Oh,
has
okay.
like 3 solves. I'm very like interested. Like,
So,
how
like,
you
yeah,
can solve that
I'm
one.
I'm curious. Like, what is a quick Google on like? Oh, my dogs are roughhousing behind me.
There's definitely like a lot of resources, but I feel like this one is like a first to be seen online, especially.
I can't remember.
I don't.
What was the other? One of these had a SQL math. I don't remember which one. I did a jail recently that was fairly restricted. It wasn't the same as this though. This is definitely a new one. Just click on a bunch of these. Just refresh myself. Yeah, because they're almost always done through the built-ins, right?
Correct. Actually, the first one was like fairly like simple. I feel like
So
quite
if you
like everyone can solve it.
so if you
The
just run
easiest one.
this, and I don't even know the Python off the top of my head. It's just like read, right? To read a file.
Yeah, read flag. You can also like import like system, like from OS or like just import OS and then dot system cat flag that text. But I think that won't work.
Oh, really?
No, not for this one particularly. No.
Why not?
I mean, we tried like everything. Like even like just a simple solution that I like came up with. It just doesn't allow you underscores, and like you cannot really import anything. You have to use like these like special niche characters that like not a lot of like people know about.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so read wasn't the right thing anyway. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. So like conceptually it would be open. Like that was like open is not defined. Okay. And what was the limit?
72 characters. If you can see in the source code, they use a slice operator at the end.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
just
I see that. So how many characters is this? 62? Oh. No, so that's not a real thing. What did I copy that from? What was imp? Imp lib import functions. So OS is not there already, right?
correct.
And why doesn't import work?
Import, because you can't use underscores, and you have to use underscores.
I can't
You can't just
import
you can't
OS.
just type in.
Import
you
is
cannot
not
do that.
eval, okay? I thought that would. Oh.
You have to do like underscore import.
Hmm. Okay, so we can't do double underscores, we can't do imports. And built-ins are none.
Yeah, very interesting one, man. For sure.
I like
I
that.
actually did a web with one of my teammates. It was a it was HTTP like website, right? But it was running on UDP,
Hey, Burr. Hey,
right? And
Snork's
you
doing
can't
well
just
today.
access it through your
Yeah,
browser.
boys.
So we had to like write like an exploit script in Python to access it, and we had to literally like spam the connection because UDP doesn't give you back the data, like the full data, most of the time. So it after like I don't know 15 minutes, we actually got the flag. It was very lucky.
Nice.
Definitely a fun one, but I can't believe it doesn't have like much solves still. Only like what 20.
I'm catching up. I didn't realize there was chats going on for the live channel
Oh yeah.
text here. Oh, we got a nice group hanging out. Huh. Huh, huh, huh.
How have you been, Did? Good?
Yeah, I've been crazy busy. Not been doing a whole lot of try hack me or anything lately, but
No, that's fine. I signed up for Hack the Box as well. Been doing some Hack the Box.
Their challenges are like amazing. Not gonna lie, the quality of them is like just good. They're like mostly like real world stuff as well, to my knowledge.
I just wish there was more buffer overflow stuff.
Oh, there's a ton, I think, like in Pwn.
this is wild.
Every time I see like Pwn stuff, oh my god, it's like some gibberish to me. I don't like know anything about it. It's like some ciphered messages, shit.
So you couldn't even run like a print?
No.
So like it has
yeah.
nothing. Like it's telling you
It-
eval with nothing built in.
Yeah, pretty much. It's like for us, I think
How?
it's it's the hardest part for us is the actual length, because only so much you can do with only 72 characters, you know. So that's definitely like a hard one. How are the battlegrounds, by the way? People who actually played it in like Server Siege, is it like fun, worth it?
The
Mateus,
battlegrounds are
Holmes.
really cool, but I've only done the free ones, which are like 15 minutes, and I don't fully understand the rules. Trap and I played, and there was something happening, like a real player, and I was like losing points constantly, but I couldn't tell why.
Advanced patching. I see. I got you. So you also have to like defend machines and stuff. Okay, I see. It's similar to Koth, right, Mateus? Like you have to like patch vulns. Maybe change like readability on files. Okay, yeah, makes sense. How about Server Siege? That's like 1v1. That's Koth, I think, but like hack the box version.
No, yeah, I think it's like the single server, right?
Yeah, one machine. Whoever hacks it first gets 2 flags. For Vesks.
Hmm. Yeah, I don't know enough about Python. I think I have to
It's
be
definitely a
more
hard
of
one. I'll
a
let you know
Python
if I
expert
look
to
the write
like.
up.
Yeah, I got to know what all
Yeah.
the other. I guess I.
Do you
You
wanna
can't
try an
do
easier one
anything.
real quick?
You can't do anything without built-ins. Like, what can you do? You can't do built-ins or double underscore. Yeah, I'm like totally at a loss of what even to try here.
Yeah. Might be better than hack the box. I feel like try hack me is like pretty like good if you're just literally starting out, and then once you get more advanced on that platform, you can definitely do hack the box. At least that's how I think of it.
I wonder, is there a way to like you could, because it's only checking for double underscore. You could break up 2 underscores in a
Actually,
concatenate.
here, snipe. I think
But
we
what
had
else
it
is there?
like
There's got to be other stuff that's double underscore, right?
here. I'll show you what like
Annotations built.
we thought about. Here, check DMs real quick. This is what like our initial thought was for it. That's how you can actually build an underscore. But as you can see, it's taking like too much characters once again. It will just take like too many. So those 2 like hex values, x5f, are underscores.
Mm-hmm.
So
And now I want to solve this one. Damn it.
it's definitely like a tough one, I'll tell you that. I mean, 3 solves out of what, like 500 plus teams is crazy.
Yeah, because even that isn't going to be interpreted the same way, right? I was thinking, what if you did like, but that's not going to be evaluated like that, would it? Is plus the concatenator? I don't even know if I'm doing this right. Well, it didn't die. I just spat it back out. Print eval. So just evaluated creating the string. Yeah. What else could you possibly? Because you can't double eval, right? Because that doesn't exist either.
Yeah, exactly. So
This is a
it's a
wild
tough
one.
one. It's a wild one for sure. Imagine, bro, it's only one line, like what, 5 lines of code? The whole jail? Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 lines of code, the whole jail. I saw even a harder one that was literally a one-liner. It's twice as hard.
Yeah, I mean it's overriding all. Like, what do I even Google to figure that? Like, what is possibly available except built-ins? There's got to be like a list somewhere, right?
I think we had like a little graph. Here, I think I can find it, hopefully. Maybe it's like somewhere here. Oh no, it's in here. Okay, here, yeah, I found it. Here, I'll send you like a screenshot.
Like, could you do like 1+1? Yeah.
Here, I sent you a screenshot in DMs of like how I guess like Python is structured with all like built-in stuff, like wrappers and all, like init, wrapper, call, and maybe that would be useful. Like, technically open is a part of like built-ins.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
like
Like I
people,
really like nothing
yeah.
is there. But what isn't? Like init isn't, or name or dict or like those are built-ins of class object wrappers. Init call.
Find actual. Yeah, Holmes. There's like CTF. They had like a whole category for jail. There's like 1, 2, 3,
When's the
4,
next
5,
COT
6.
tournament? Yeah, Trap. That's a good one. You and I should schedule the next one.
There's 7 challenges for jail-related stuff. It's crazy.
Okay, so we got like built-ins and stuff. If we did. Could you do like list set? Nope, those are all built-ins. That's the other one? Nope. What could it be?
It's definitely a tough one. It's like if you don't solve it, don't even blame yourself for it.
No, that's the danger of me trying to start with a really hard one. I have not really
I
been in
remember
the
you played.
mindset all day. I jumped
Remember
right
you
into the
played,
hard one of the last one that we played.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Yeah. Last time, like last CTF we played, I think it was like OX Laugh. We played like
Yeah.
Trap and all.
I
And
was
then
so
you
close to
jumped
figuring
in.
that one out, man.
Oh yeah.
I kept getting to like the next. They had so many gates though. It was like you solved part of it. Fuck you, not quite. Oh, All right. Well, I'll give it a little bit more time, and then maybe I'll do another
Try
regular room or something. Be better for the stream content. I'd love to maybe poke around with it
Sure.
later though, if you're still around.
Yeah, for sure. I sent like an easier one in like the chat right now. If you want to try that one, that's like the easiest one to do. It's literally a one-line solution.
Right. Well, now I'm stuck on this one. nothing exists. Like I don't understand what you can't do anything other than variable, like actual primitives. What is this? What does compile do?
There's like a new also I think like built in. It's called the buffer. I don't know what that one does, but I think we all came to a conclusion it was pretty useless for this challenge. So
Yeah.
that's like that.
Because theoretically, yeah, nothing's defined.
I think what we kind of had a thought about is placing like a breakpoint. I don't know how that could be achieved though, and kind of I don't know. Something
Yeah, I don't think
really
you could do
like
that
on.
from the netcat side.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. This is what I want. So built-ins is the only thing that they're getting rid of. So how could we run any of these other ones and get past the double underscore check?
Yeah, I think that's the hard part. Maybe like actually build the underscores and somehow like concatenate them with like
Mm-hmm.
the actual methods. Maybe that's just like an idea, but once again, that's a tough fucking challenge. I don't know.
And what were you trying before? You sent me, you had like hex.
Oh yeah, correct. It's in DMs. It's like X5F.
Okay.
But once again, if we even do use that, correct? Like it's not gonna be like what is it called? It's not gonna match the format or the length they're looking for, which is 72 in our case. Because using like only what, like even like 4 of those or like 2 of those is like maybe like 15 characters itself.
Yeah, well, you'd have to convert the whole string into hex, huh?
Yeah, pretty much. So it's just gonna.
Huh. What is this? Class frozen import lib built-in importer. It's the only thing that doesn't have double underscores in here.
Almost, we tried like everything. Like everything, literally. Tried like Lambda, we
That's
tried
what
like.
Holmes. That's what I was just gonna ask. The pre-compiled. That's what I was gonna try with that compile function. But can I do that myself and then like save it raw? Because the one I did it here and output it, it looked like it was just a reference. Yeah, Holmes is in. He knows what's up. That's exactly what I'm trying to figure out. So is this a different value if I stringify it? No, stir
Check this out.
code. Because this is a reference that wouldn't be the same thing I could send across. Oh, is this? I feel like I already had this one open, right? Yeah. Yeah, Holmes, that's what I was trying, but it looks like it's a compiled like buffer reference, so you can't pre-compile and give it to them as far as I know. I don't think. We could try it. This is the string that comes out of it. But it's not, yeah, translatable outside the context that generated it, I think. That's what my gut says. But when I print globals, like all globals, they're overriding built-ins. So they're basically deleting this from the globals dict. So this is what we have left. I suppose I could share in here too, so you guys can see real time. Hopefully my computer can do it all right. So I'm curious if we just like break this on purpose. Like what could we
Yeah,
do
pretty
without
sure.
built-ins
Yeah.
anyway? Like if I just said name, is that just not defined? It says it's a global. I don't know anything about Python. What is there not things? Hmm. Paul, we got some feedback on your mic. Buddy.
Are you sure about that?
Uh-huh.
That's very odd because my mic was muted.
Oh, it's just some general background noise. I can hear you clicking now. Click, 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 click.
Yeah, we cannot use like
That's
built-ins
very interesting.
or like breakpoint because breakpoint is a part of built-ins.
Yeah, you can't even use. Like, why does eval import doesn't work? Is that because it's not in the built-in? It says invalid syntax, not found though, which seems interesting to me. This is more like what you were trying to do, right? Okay.
Yeah, something like that. What you're doing right now, that's what we tried like achieving.
Yeah. Huh. Execute
I wonder if you actually got put
arbitrary.
in jail and given this challenge, and how long are you actually gonna be out of jail? They're gonna give you like this challenge, be like, if you solve it, you get to leave.
Yeah. Well, give me like a weekend,
A week.
like a full, just like don't stop kind of weekend.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is really curious. So whatever that example was is not enough. What are they trying to do here though? So this is member descriptor cannot create member descriptor instances. So that was just trying to do, yeah, okay.
Wait, are you using Python 2 or Python 3 right now?
Python 3?
Oh, okay.
Pretty sure. My default is 3, yeah. Two, what is
You
this?
can actually use the dot load module functions to actually load in built-ins.
Wait, how? Where is that?
Like right here. You can just DMU it real quick. I think this is like the solution, but like it's 75, not 74 characters.
Really? But it's
Yeah.
and it's got the.
I don't know, this challenge has been like killing us for quite some time.
Yeah, this is a tricky one. Holmes, you got any other ideas? He said this is painful and funny.
Not funny, yeah.
That compile is I think it's a good idea, but it's how is it portable? I don't know how you can like export it in like a string format or something.
Trap still in here?
Here we
Trap,
go.
how's your blog
This
coming
is-
along?
So is this something I can use? I can't even do that.
Coming soon. If we extract that
Yeah.
into base 64, it's gonna bypass the word limit. They compile? Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Holmes, I see what you mean. So you mean like pass in like the base 64 string into compile? Is that what you that's your idea? To bypass like the underscores as well, I would assume so. Oh, I'm gonna check this out right now. Oh, okay. I see you. Not bad, just gotta fix this. But is that your actual rank? Oh, okay. Jaco, okay.
So when I did the globals by itself, oh wait. Pass the
I
command
might have
into
a-
command breakpoint.
It's like,
Value.
what was it called?
How do you breakpoints in Python? I've never tried.
Oh, I think breakpoints is a part of like built-ins, so you technically cannot use it.
Well, you know,
I
you're saying
think.
breakpoint on like run it locally, breakpoint, yeah, on your host, and then grab it from there, and then try that. I'd love to try that. When I just did the compile in the whatever Python console, it was a reference. It looked like.
Right here, give me a sec.
This is brain fuck. That's not what I want. So Holmes, what I don't understand is it says code object module at and then like a memory address reference or something. So there's still like it's this what I'm seeing the characters are not the code itself that's compiled. It's the like a reference to it. What does that mean? So yeah, so I'm in the debugger now, I think, right? How do I actually get the actual like logic code out of this? Nasco, hey. I'm sharing my screen. We're doing trying a challenge of one of the things. I'm familiar with the concept of PYC files. I don't think I've ever done that before. Compile. Why are the Python docs so hard to read? I can't read any Python documentation. Python M compile all? Is that a thing? Oh. What does it do with them? What do I have to give it like an output or something? Sorry. Now I'm curious. Isn't it supposed to like output somewhere? Oh, is that what this is? Ah. Yeah, way too big to pass in that, at least. Is this a thing? Oh. Oh, it's just the file name. Alright. Well, might be time to put a pin in this one to try something else. Holmes is getting frustrated, you guys. Yeah, that's a really involved Python one. Yeah, I feel you. I really think like having undone all built-ins, which as far as I can tell is like every, standard method. Is locals a thing? Okay. Those are both a thing. That function, however, is a built-in. But the rest of these... So name is main. I can't do anything else from name. What about package? Is that it? None type? Okay. What is loader? Built-in importer. Yeah. This is... Wait, where did that go? This guy said the core of import lib is bootstrapped as frozen module in the interpreter. So is there a way to use that? Not callable. Takes no arguments, not callable. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh. All right. Yeah, I gotta stop jumping in at like the last one, like the hardest challenge. Try some challenges. Yeah, this seems like it's a relatively new one. All right. Well, yeah, I don't think I know enough about Python to get into that. Let's reset my tabs here. Try something else. What else we do today? Any suggestions in the crowd? Could do King of the Hill. Just maybe try a challenge move box. What time is it? I'm so late today. I'm not gonna have a whole lot of time. You could just play a couple of Koth games. Oh, yeah, fuck it. Let's just play King of the Hill and hang out, shoot the shit. We talk about random stuff. I might keep thinking about this problem because I can't get it out of my head. But I can start or join one. Naysayers in the game. Public match starts 15 minutes. Hmm. This is intriguing. Definitely longer than what we could use it for, though. Hmm. So with that byte array, yeah. Yeah, this is just print 1, 2, 3, and it's already decent size. But this, So I guess out of curiosity, if I remove the guy here. Oh yeah, byte array is not that code. But what about the compiled code? Yeah. But with 0 built-ins. The check function is plain text, but once you get here, you have to have, like, I'm assuming a pretty intimate Python knowledge of, like, what can you do in Python without Python? Basically, what it feels like. None, no doc. It's got to be something with this. This is the only thing left. This loader. I don't know how to use it, though. It's a function. Frozen import lib built-in importer. There's a few ones I haven't seen before. This one says the craziest. Jesus. It's excruciating. Well, if you did the whole thing as hex, then you're times what 3 or 4 your whole input, which sucks. But was it just loader? What is that? So that's interesting. When I give it just the underscores. Oh, I thought it actually worked. Hold on. Because that's just a string literal now. What is the hex string syntax? Bytes? Is that? Would it be like that? Oh. Yeah, could you return, I guess, is there a way to do like a one-liner pseudo function? Is that lambda's probably... Oh, can you do a lambda? In, like, by itself? Hmm. Oh, y is not defined. Yeah, that's a start though. Huh? Actually, it's actually running something. This should be 4. all right, all right. Hey, look. Now we're getting somewhere. Anyone who's in here who's interested in helping, how do I use that loader, the built-in loader? Do you know? Is that this import lib? Because just that alone, now I can construct and return a dynamic string and like break it up to skip the double underscore check. So I think I can bypass that now pretty easy knowing how to do that. But I don't have built-ins. So the only one having access to is that loader. Let's figure out how that works. Did you say it was a specific version of Python 3? Like, should I be trying a newer version? I think I'm on an older version.
Snipe, I have something that you might want to check out that might be pretty good.
For
Just an
this?
idea. No, something good. ADHD taking me off topic.
Oh, okay.
But there was a new, I think there was like an exploit released for jailbreaking, the hacks exploit, which I believe it makes a semi-untethered jailbreak into a fully untethered jailbreak. It adds persistence to the jailbreak, except there's no really good explanations as to how to execute it yet. People are still trying to come up with methodologies.
Huh.
So,
Oh yeah, we can talk about it later. I don't think I have that. I'm sorry, I'm a little distracted right now.
no, that's fine. I get it.
Is there a way to do like a multi-line lambda? Or, I guess, damn it, multi-statement. Where do I put the... Well, 157, I think that the ability, this is the most I've been able to do so far, this whole lambda execute, because if I do a lambda as like a string, then this could be like which is just the string, but I've successfully gotten a string with double underscores now past them. Yeah, it's like 20. $30, $34. Yeah, it's like half of it already. I still don't understand how I'm supposed to use the loader though. Like I don't even know what this next step would be without a limit. I haven't found any helpful links. I'm too ADD. I'm just jumping around everywhere. All these built-in things. Oh, here we go. What does this do? But again, that alone, even the literal, is 60 characters. Ah! This is a heck of a challenge. How are we doing on this? Ooh, 1 minute. Just me and Naysayer. Anyone else who's enjoying the Goth Mage? I don't care about. Everyone's got. Yeah, everyone's searching Google because they don't know what verbose is. Yes, I am going to DEF CON. I gotta buy my tickets and get ready to go. I booked and planned everything like the week before last year. It was clusterfuck. Dot load module. Is what I have shorter than this? Yes. Hell yeah. That's really cool. That'd be fun. Yeah, I'd definitely be there. Oh, production. They just started. All right, hold on. I'm not even on the VPN or anything yet. Ah. Hey, Pog, love you, buddy. Can you mute while you're not talking, please? Got some
It's
more.
weird that you can hear me.
Yeah, I got the background.
Proper weird you can hear me. Because my microphone's saying it's muted, and it's clearly not.
Oh, well, yeah.
That's really fucked up. Like, that's really fucked up. Anyway, yeah, sure.
Linux boy, what's up? I feel like we're still making progress. I'm not ready to give up on this quite yet. This is a fun one. That's cool. See Holmes come and drop in and hang out. Alright, yeah, I think I'll do a quick short stream today. I'm going to try to solve this problem and play this one game of Koth. Not feeling 100%. Of course, I'm drinking this giant white cough. So, apparently load modules is just like a thing. Loader dot load no shit. And that is the built-ins are like shite. You seeing this? It's pretty freaking close now, man. Okay, so the combo we have, is there a shorthand for lambda, or do I have to actually type out the word lambda? Ah. All right, well, I think we need the lambda, but all we got to do is return a function, right? So lambda so there's loader without double underscore. That won't work. Can you do a lambda without any args? No. Unterminated string literal? What did I do there? Oh, this is supposed to be. All right, what do you think? How many characters is this? 76. Shit. We're so close, man. 76. We got to trim what? 4 characters off of this? Because if I do this as 76 really quick. Ah. Oh wait, that just returns. It evals the lambda, not. So what's an even shorter way to do this? What's that? Is a load module? Could I do like OS? I wonder. I just killed my. Yes. So what's the shortest thing to do from like OS? Isn't that... There it is. But it's still... It's not evaluating... It's just returning... Right? I guess this is still... This is even longer now, huh? 76 still? Yeah. But even so, this is... I think because I thought that it would evaluate... How did I do that before? Didn't I confirm that I could execute more of that? Is there a different like shorthand for that? Is it like the... But again, you can't do any of that, right? Ah. Alright, naysayer got the king. I gotta get on King of the Hill soon. I can get... This is a valid thing, but it's just evaluating to the string that needs to be evaluated. So like the result of this needs to go to the eval. There's an easy way to do that, right? Or like a double eval. But again, that's just adding more characters, huh? Eval's not a thing. Ah! All right, so what I needed to do is break out just the piece of the, oops, the double underscore escape is like the main thing that I'm trying to use this for. I just need to get the string.
I just got a shell in 3 steps.
Nice, on what?
October. On Hack the Box.
Linux, what are you doing with Python? This is a CTF challenge, Linux Boy from 157 doing a jailbreak. I feel like I'm getting really close. So really what I want is like so that is just going to return that string. What was that import lib thing? Ah, I lost it. Damn it. Oh, this here. No, but that's not going to work because the import doesn't work, right? Damn it. Yeah, this and the character limit, man. Like, this is such a simple but like painful. What was it? 72. I mean, do I even need a freaking lambda? No, because that just evals as a string still. So the trick is, if I'm here and I have a string called, how do I actually like get that to run now? I can't run eval. Is that a thing? Ah! I thought I had it, man. This is so close. Alright, I'm gonna take a breather. I'm gonna keep thinking about it. I'm gonna go and do did I already set up the IP? Yeah, traps on there. SMB, FTP, SSH, and a couple other things. Are these web? I forget. No. Does not look like it. I can't get the rest of them. Did you guys already patch this though? This is for Ashu. Oh. Are you doing Red Team Capstone Challenge? Try to hack me? I haven't done anything, man. I've joined a couple King of the Hill games, but the last couple of weeks have been pretty insane for me. I've not had a whole lot of time to hack, sadly. Nice message from Trap Nataz here. I should check it out though. I've heard a lot of good things. I haven't really been playing much with TryAcme since they started releasing some of the new stuff. Where is it? How do I do that? Oh, they have AWS now? That's cool. Tried that challenge yet? It looks crazy. What challenge? The AWS one? Are these look like intros? Where's the challenge? In networks? Oh, is that like a whole separate thing? Where is that? I don't even know where that is. Learn. Ooh, networks. Yeah, I haven't done any of the networks, I guess. I gotta learn some more Windows first, bro. As soon as they say lateral movement, AD exploitation, Windows and Linux, Windows and Linux, Windows, Winux. Oh shit, it's only got 2 weeks before it's like not available. Alright, might as well try it. You need a 7 days. I only have a 3-day streak. Ah, guys, I can't keep my streak up. Well, yeah, I still need to bite the bullet and learn a lot more about Windows anyway. Well, if I could do 4 more, I might get 10 days out of it. Just don't let me forget my streak. Yeah, that's cool. I'll definitely check it out. Uh-oh, what's happening to the box? Lynn Pease is toast. Was that you? Did somebody just... Thanks, dude. Are you sending me that to make it think I have a... Hey, Theo Scully, what's up? Oh, Les is one. Homework project is Skitty is another one. Git is easy. PK exec is Punkit. GTF opens. Git. No. Do you not need the P here too? I feel like I've done set UID with Git before. Why? Try not to fall asleep. Oh, sorry. It's a lot later than I meant to, and got a little distracted on that Python jail problem. I still want to solve that, but yeah, I'm not gonna have a whole lot of time or energy to do a long stream this time. It'll be my shortest VOD instead of 5 hours. Oh, I have like a 2-hour one. So just running this doesn't work with Seward. Does not look like it. How do I get out of less? Ah. The less was also on there, but isn't that just for the ability to read? File to read. I'm pretty sure I've done Seward with Git before, but the easy mode isn't working. Bash? Alright, I'll be lazy. Sick. That's what I just did, Linux boy. It did not work. Am I looking at the right Git? Is it a different path? User bin Git. User bin Git. Set UID and root ID. So yeah, Git help config bin sh. Still myself. Yeah, the GTFO bins for it was oh, where'd it go? Get rid. Is this guy, which also does not voik. Oh well. There any other clever ways in? Linpies didn't even run. I wanted to try a different exploit or something. I'll be lazy. There's Trap leaving us notes, join us, helping me recruit. Yeah, it launches SH fine, but I'm still Ashu. It doesn't. I'm not root. I tried also SH-P, but that didn't work. I do bash-P. It's SH-I. Isn't it a different command? Oh wait. So just from in here, bin bash p. Well, that worked. Well, it's code notes because bash is already got it, right? That was probably that was probably Trap doing that for his. I think some of you guys had questions about other King of the Hill tactics and whatnot, right? Like searching for people. If I look at the PS tree, I can see Ashu 8 and 10. Here's man get config pager. So here's a one that worked. Is that Naysayer? Oh, that's me. Oh, it's because bash was already there. So here it is. Sudo git from skitty. So Ashu to skitty to sudo git. Interesting. So you can see the method that Naysayer used to get in, and it looks like, did Trap use this? Nope. Unless he deleted the history, but I see you here. He's got his persistence. He's on the box. I'm not. Yeah, I'm Ashu. What's up? Not found. Howdy. Is that you? Trap. Did you guys even chattered it or anything? Well, that was like the easiest king. Oh wait, this is the chatter that'll kick me out though, right? Let's try it. If anyone has not seen it, please run me as root. Is this, did you put, that's not normal, is it? Oh, okay, so it does the cheese strats thing still. That's what I was looking for. I was so confused when I first saw this, dude. When I first tried chatter on Production Box and it said no cheese, I thought someone was fucking with me. But that's like a built-in part of the game. Alright, yeah. Well, at least I was able to jump in and get a little bit going. Run git with skitty. Yeah, Yeah, Trap, you're right. That's what I was realizing when I saw the way Naysayer got in and elevated here. Oh, I never actually started the streaming event. I guess I'll start it an hour late. An hour and a half late. I know, I'm having fun with half root pillages. Fuck you. What's a good way to get out of this? I like, my favorite is adding myself to sudoers. Because editing files is something you can do. Oh. What do you do, Trap? What do you do to get out of like EUID? Editing sudoers is easy way to do it. Oh, I have that in sudo in here. Okay. I see. I see now. Oh, that's a nice one. That just works automatically because the EID is there. Okay. And so you could do the same thing. Ah! But I'm not stable. Oh, I dig it. That's awesome. That's so easy. Again, Trap with like the best simple solution out of the box that I never thought of. To the rescue. I'm going to put that in my notes. Where are my notes? Cool. Nobody wants to steal the king? I don't want to... Let's get this, like... down to the 1 second. Get real-time king updates right here. Does the chatter works though? No, it doesn't even work. What do I need king for when... Oh. Sneaky son of a bitch. Yeah, I gotta not let you get any kind of head start anymore. You could just blow me out of the water anytime. Oh, I've already got my other door in here, so I could send everybody, hello friend. People have probably seen that before. So we could look at the mount tab. See if there's any procs in here. That usually means someone's trying to hide their processes. Don't see any. Well, the only ones I see are not hidden. I see my session Naysayer, who also created his own user. With what user ID, I wonder? 00, of course. Well, maybe I'll show the PCAP knock thing, and then I want to do a little bit more poking on that. Where is that? Make sure that I don't share too much secret sauce. Huh? So we got in with FTP, finding Ashu's key, and then lucky with Bash. I think that was Plant from Trapmatized. There he is. Does my kill switch still work? It does. He knows how to get around that though. It's the V1. What was I doing? What do I have to, oh, that's this one. Well, I've had a lot of people ask me about how to search processes and how to hide processes and stuff. And one of the most common ways to hide the processes is to mount over the proc folder. Inside of proc is all the PID. And then in the actual PID, you can see information in there. So if we were to say, who's who here? This one is, let's do his naysayer. If I look inside of proc, there should be, yeah, you can see his current directory. He's running bash. And I get his environment too. That, if anybody can ever find my procs, I put a lot of stuff in my environment because it's not on the, well, it is on the file system. We just looked at it. But I'm not like saving things in scripts. But if you ever find my procs, you can check out my environments for sneaky things. What else, huh? Root. Oh yeah? Okay, we'll do PSPy. Let me install it globally. Gonna be a bunch of sleeps. Is that you doing sleeps? Nice. It's taking forever. Is it stuck? Here's my actual C2 with my 4 hidden backdoors. Bunch of sleeps, he says. Could he turn off the sleeps first? Let me get it started. Blocks commands the script is running. What does that mean, Trap? There it goes. I see it attempting to connect to your other door. Because you're on 8888, right? Yeah, it's trying the 8889 one. Did you kill the sleeps? Is that why this finally started? You can start the sleeps again. Yeah, yeah. Trap wants to show off the PSPy watching some of this. There it is. There are the sleeps. the beeps, the creeps, and the sweeps. Spaceballs. And I still got the best king switch here. Yoink. It's mine. Mine, mine, mine. Oh. Man, I gotta really put a few hours of work ahead of time. Schedule the stream, stick to it, come up with like a schedule or an idea. I just jump in, kind of wing it, which is fun too. Alright. Well, I got all these sleeps coming from Trap. That's fun. What else was I going to show? Oh, I wanted to show the PCAP knock stuff. I've talked to you guys about that before, I think a little bit. Trap has seen it. It's covering up. You can run without sleep. You can see what it's. Oh, I see what you're saying. Like you're just trying to use it as like a way to like spam more and more. Well, that's coming from. I wonder. Oh wait, it doesn't exist anymore? Oh, you have a different process. Hey, what's up? Oh, snap. That's interesting. So you're using my old SED technique. That was one of the first ones that I tested and figured out it was actually faster than like a while infinite while loop echo. For some reason the SED actually replaces the file, I think, puts it back, but it was quicker. Doing all right today? Thanks for joining. I'm not going to be going for a whole lot longer. I was pretty late starting today. I was in the mountains and it took me a while to get back. So maybe we do one more game and then I could probably call it. Anybody else want to join? I can create if no one else is here. Ooh, 8 minutes. Nice. I'll share this in Discord and I can also put. You just found. Oh, nice. I just copied the wrong thing. I don't think I can undo that. That was a PID. You guys don't worry about it. Anybody interested to join on stream? I'm just sharing it in the Koth channel invite. It's also public if you just join public. Starts in 8 minutes. Is this you, Trap? Or has this guy got your Syrian Arab Republic? But it's got this. That's the same. That is your picture, isn't it? Your avatar. Or is it a popular one? You got others on there? So what was the time on that? 7 minutes? Okay. Man, you said 6 hours or what, probably 4 hours left now on that challenge. Still don't know how to I'm getting strings passed, but not in a way that can be invoked. I'm still missing something there. Andy's here. What's up? Just hanging out. Was trying this really hard Python jailbreak earlier. Thought I was making good progress. Couldn't quite get it, so I'm taking a quick break to King of the Hill a little bit. Oh, there we go. There's some people. They should add some new machines on. I know we've been saying that for a long time. I don't have enough free time. I want to help. I could definitely help once my schedule and lifetime kind of calms down a little bit. I would love to contribute because I think I can build really fun, cool boxes pretty quick. I might just start my own. Actually, that's what I was thinking. Naysayer, an idea that I had, everyone in here actually listen to this because I like this idea. And Trap, I think I talked to you about it briefly. But I could make rooms, they don't have to be public and published. I can invite anyone to the room and have like a specific challenge room or like a custom, Koth King room and just have something that's reliably scoring it somehow that's not part of their system. But we could do ad hoc fake or like custom Koths. But the other thing I was thinking of, Trap, is to do this for the V4 challenge. Like I make a V4 challenge room. And then when people actually join it, there will be like, there'll be actual like track of leaderboards of whoever solved it or whatnot. Trap's using the sleep, but he's using it to hide his processes more than anything. Because with the sleep in there, you kind of lose the actual paths and commands of what he's trying to do. So it's not a invalid technique. It's just spamming. Like you're trying to watch processes, and you're just going to see this going forever. It's going to take a while to sift through. I wonder, Trap, can you turn your sleep off? Four minutes for next. I'm curious if the if my PCAP knockback door shows in here. You created all those rooms? Yeah, I got a bunch of rooms that I started. The only one that's like fully done and was approved by them in public was the Bedrock Flintstones one. But I got a bunch of ideas started. The only ones I have really going, South Park and Futurama. Where's that? Futurama and South Park, I got actual VMs built and like a good amount of it set up, but not done yet. Not a lot of time. I want to do all the things and no time. Holy shit, we got 8 people now. Nice. Alright, so we got the sleep off. I want to check if I open a netcat. I think I've showed this off before to a few people, but I don't install it on every box. But a lot of times when I'm on the box, my favorite sneakiest backdoor is PCAP Knocker, which is basically like Wireshark listening to all the network traffic on the box. Anything that comes in plain text, and I give it like a keyword, I can run commands or pop a shell. So the keyword is F11S, and then you give it your IP. Or the callback IP :port, and then F11S, so it's sandwiched with those as like keywords on both sides. And all you got to do is get that to the server somehow through any network protocol of communications that's not encrypted. So if we curl, is there a website? No. 9999, the Koth service. So we could do it as a fake variable, poop. Still get the same response, but now over here, got a root shell. You could do it as a header. Boom, root shell. What else could you do that with? FTP? I think so. Try to log in as that, it'll fail. But give me a shout. It's so fucking cool. So that's my best persistent backdoor because it doesn't actually run anywhere. It's injected into a process and it's listening to the entire network interface. So that's my favorite one. Oh, but the whole point of that, and I have a shortcut that'll do it all in one go here. I wanted to see. It doesn't show my actual snipe binary. You have your own created rootkits and Audubon's. I don't have anything that runs in just 1 second. I've got scripts that are pretty much Audubon for most, but I have to try to not use them because I don't want to break anything or cheat, make anyone mad. I usually break them up and I copy paste a few of my commands to get in, but I have scripts for everything. And I've written a rootkit. I've written a bunch of variations of different rootkits, but I've got kind of my one King of the Hill kit, which just is kind of like diamorphine. It's got all that stuff baked into it. Hide ports, hide processes, hide. Oh, that would be fun. You could hide. I could hide the entire file system, which I think I've done before for somebody as a joke. Is he from Crons? What is that from? You get my hands on those vectors. That one's a really cool one. I found a paper, a white paper on it, and some. Where was that? Can't remember. It's really complicated, and it's fairly hard to set up and do it right without crashing the box. At least doing the process injection method, because you can run it as a daemon. You could just run, my system process or whatever, and hide it in plain sight, name it something else. But doing the injection into a running process is what I wanted to figure out, and that was cool, but delicate. Oh wait, this started, huh? Okay, hold on. You know what? I'm going to keep these open for later. Get too many tabs to dance around there. Do that later. Alright, so which one is this? Wait, that's the wrong one. Holy shit. Someone's already in King. Ah! Is that the same? Okay. I have to take a piss break. Yeah, Scully, I'll see if I can find the article or the paper on it. I don't want to give you my like fully loaded weaponry, but I'll give you the pieces you need to figure it out. All right, that's gonna take a while, huh? What's the Shrek site? I don't actually play these much from like a, you know, normal point of view anymore. I gotta fix. Holy shit, yeah. Everyone knows Shrek, huh? There's already a bunch of people on here. Who's here? I recognize most of those. Who dat? That's you. I see GTR, Andy, and Trap on the box of this. And then, was this the one that... Has anybody else struggled with this? This took me a while. This is definitely a flag. I think that was the last flag that I finally solved on this box. We could look at encoding stuff. Alright, so what do we got? Tomcat on 8080. Oh, there's probably a exploit involved there. Unauthorized MySQL? Oh, unauthorized because, yeah, they're not allowed to get it. There it is. Yes, Linux Boy reset spams drive me nuts. It's like, you know, RMRF / is one thing. Like, that's okay, whatever. You're kind of throwing a fit, but it's kind of funny. But the reset, I actually wrote a blog article about it. I haven't written anything since last December because I just don't pay attention to my blog. But this guy, RootPieBot, was just literally spamming over. He joined. All these people in this game are him. Just so he can, like, he's voting for, was it 3 votes? Yeah, vote, reset. Vote, reset. Vote, reset. I think he was just mad at me or something, you know? Whatever. This is a flag, naysayer, yeah. This is a base 64 to start with. And then it goes into what looks like what. Anybody got any ideas on that? Ask in the audience. I've gotten to recognize these things a little bit more. What was the other one that was a web? 8080. Sniped. Thanks, Saver. Let me snipe that last game. Everybody's still hanging out over here? Just me? Oh, game's over, right? Help clean up my connections here. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I know, right? He literally, I mean, he had to, right? Like, you have that many accounts, and you're getting 3 votes in a row repeatedly. Like, just vote. At least 3 of them were him. Ugh. Driving me nuts. There's all my OBS. This is my actual processes. Let's not look at those. What am I doing? I cleared the other thing. Oh, you know what I do have, actually? Let me make sure I know which one it is. Is it this Tomcat one? Yeah. So there's this exploit tool I found, you know, Tomcat War Deployer. Someone's probably found that before. If anyone's tried exploiting this, what's my... Okay, so I'm using the same 8888 I usually use. Let's see if I can get a Tomcat shell. Does this work? Dex, what's the FYI? You got me curious now. Yeah, Naysayer, that is, it's a flag that took me a while to figure out the decoding of, but the result of it is not a normal flag syntax either. Password, alright. Cool, so I'm in as Tomcat. So how do you elevate from Tomcat? Look at the party in here, guys. It's a party. Who else is here? That's it. Might as well try easy mode. Are there any Suds in the house? Dex, you're killing me. What's the FYI? Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining. Is there none? Oh, it's still running, huh? It's slowing down a little bit. Well, maybe I can show off my C2 stuff a little bit without divulging any secrets. I think I've shared it a few times. It's authorized, credentials that rotate every day. I typically open at least a couple, if not like 4 different reverse shells per box. I have a history of hosts. I've only played these 2 games. So you can see Prod and Shrek. One of the coolest things that I added recently to this C2 is the ability to target or delay commands and groups by host. Let me see if I can say that or show it better. Spray host 1 means send it to any connection, all connections on that host. Echo lol, append to temp lol. So there should be 4 lulls in here. Yeah, every one of my connections ran that command. Or I can shoot one, echo poo onto temp lol. So now there's 1 poo on the end. Or a delayed, which is really fun, like do spray. I don't use spray in ever. I use shoot in, which is a single in a delay. Let's try spray in 1, 30 seconds in milliseconds. 1, 2, 3. Echo spray. Temp lol. So I go in cat temp lol. In 30 seconds, we should see 3 or 4 sprays appended to that file. What's happening to my find, bro? I'm getting nothing out of this. Did I type it wrong? Has it been 30 seconds? No. is still frozen or something, right? And I didn't stabilize. Oh well. It's probably because oh my god, it's a full game. We got a full freaking game. Nice job, guys. This is a full freaking game. There it is, the 4 sprays. So, I really got to finish this, dude. There's so much potentials that I could do with this. It's just kind of a, you know, side project, brainchild kind of thing. It's something that's really good and fun for me to use, but it's not quite good enough or solid enough to publish or share yet. Traps in. Shit, I should have waited and loaded a different, like, troll version of the rootkit or like some other puzzle or something. Well, I will do the troll RC, which some people have found. Anyone who's in root can get reset here. Oh, ooh, excuse me. Where the heck is this find? Why is it so stuck? Ay. Kill it. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. So I can't even do a find for Suids? Is that because everyone else is fighting so hard on everything? I think my rootkit has a built-in root prevest too, but I don't ever use that. I don't remember what the kill code is. I gotta finish. The setup for this isn't fully automated yet. Thanks for joining us, Scully. It's good to have you. Yeah, I'm probably going to call it soon after this game. But if anyone wants to, let me see if it still works. Yup. Alright. Well, I got easy mode root in back over here. And then if I stabilize, which I have notes on somewhere. I always forget how to do that. I suppose it depends on my... If I'm zoomed to my normal amount, yeah, then I can do the ones I have saved. What are the steps involved here? I always forget. Do our thing. few of these. I should do the... Alright, now we're stabilized. And there's the troll shell. So for anybody who's in here right now that wants to experience the troll shell, just refresh your root bash. I can spam everybody who's got a PTS at least. I got 2 people. I got everybody. Welcome to the troll shell, friends. Gonna roll your dice for you. Well, didn't win that time. Maybe we'll win this time. Oh, didn't win that game. Did we win this time? Winner! Oh, wow, that doesn't look right. Nyan Cat. It's because I zoomed in. New mail. Oops, what did we do there? I've dropped this on some people before. Yeah. I think it's like an 80% chance. Or, you know, like if you were over 80, 20% chance that you get Nyan Cat for 3 seconds. Well, let's open our King Watcher. Nobody's king? We saw. There it is. Ah, more Nyan Cat. And if you run a bad command that fails, that's what you see too. Is it, did it remove the king, or do we have a king of size 0? Damn it, now I'm going to win every one of them. I got my own troll shell. It's being deleted. Alright, I like to copy root somewhere else, just in case people delete it for reference. Okay. I'll do a king. Maybe we could do a mount trick. People have seen this already, huh? God, this troll shell really is annoying as fuck. I apologize for everyone I've dropped it on in the past. That's kind of fun. Well, I know at least a few people in here know how to get around the mount trick, huh? Oh, yep, there it is. Did you actually unmount it, or did you put your name in my... Alright. I'm gonna miss the... Damn it. Can you set aliases over here? Does work. Does it have... Okay. I'm gonna try to set up my Ninja Snipe. I suppose it doesn't matter if you're deleting the file though. Oh, this was out of date. Like a really out of date. I've been missing a lot of these updates. Excuse me. Hey. Imagine you replace your troll shell with bash RC of root end user. That's pretty much what it is. It's just a bash RC config that I put. I usually do it to just root. So like if you're still fumbling around trying to get to root, I rarely try to drop the troll shell on non-root. If you're already in root, I'm giving you troll shell to slow you down in some way. But what I figured out a while ago is I can do echo seconds mod 60. I want to find the diff of my second counter in the minute ticker, which is in 5 seconds. But of course this is going to take a couple seconds to run. Damn it, that's not an accurate because of the way my thing. 55, probably close enough. Offset 55, we increase the difference. 5 seconds is probably enough. And here's my one-liner king yoink. Oh, sorry, Caleb. We'll see if it works. If the math is working, it'll try to yoink king right at the end of the minute. Yeah, the Troll RC, or at least an early version of it, is available on my f11snipe.sh. I got a random collection of stuff that I'm pretty sure it's there. Oh, it works! Is it going to last long enough, though? Well, I'll let this run for a little bit, see if anybody can undo it. As if there's anything in king, this should steal it. Wait. It didn't turn it off? What's wrong with my math? It yoinked, but it didn't unyoink. Damn it. That means in the next yoink, this means I'll alternate king every other minute now. Maybe they copied the wrong one. It's the same one. This is a really weird one-liner. It's kind of hard to see, I guess. Basically just looking at the diff constantly of like running seconds, trying to find when the end of the minute is. I think it's stuck. Something's not right here. God, this is annoying. I gotta turn this off. Hold on. Alright. Ugh, that was getting on my nerves. So now let's try it with a proper shell. Seconds. Mod 60. At. Alright, and it's like 16 or 17, it's pretty close. Oh, what did I just do there? Did I do some? Did I break that? What is going on with it? Is it because of the... Oh yeah, I think it's this. I'm still in a reverse stabilized shell, which I don't use usually. It was weird for me. Creates a hidden file with K name if condition was running in it. Oh, for this? For this, O is offset, which is the number I'm finding here. K, what is K actually? Oh, K is my checker. K, it starts at 0, and that's like a toggle on or off. And then D is the difference, which is 3. So 3 seconds before the end of the minute, it'll turn my name on, and 3 seconds after the minute, it'll turn my name off. Y is, this is literally just saying -4 plus 1 times -1. This is finding that calculated offset. If king is off and something is S, what's S again? The seconds is negative and greater than the negative threshold, then I yoink it. Otherwise, this is all cut off actually because of my stable shell. Otherwise, if K is 1, that means king is on, and the S counter is greater than the difference, then I turn it off. So that's yoink and knoy. It's the opposite of yoink. Thanks, man. I love doing these crazy bash one-liners. Like, you can do pretty much anything you want. Bash one-liner. Just give you big fucking mind. So it should be hitting right now. Doink. Yoink. And then off. Oh, off. There we go. How's everybody doing in Discord? We got a couple more people here now. Caleb, Andy. See, oh, a bunch of people in the game. I see. Alright. How many king minutes am I behind now? 5, traps at 11. Well, maybe I'll stop trying for king and I can just watch. There's so many other people here. It'd be kind of fun to just be like an announcer. I'm going to turn that off. What is... Oh, I thought mail was a command. Is somebody unmounted proc? Wrong FS type. Nice. Now PS Pi can still gather some shit, right? We'll see. It's funny, I'm so used to working with like real, working systems. Once people start breaking or changing the system stuff, I gotta learn more workarounds, I guess. Well, Trap, I was going to announce because I was going to see what was going on with everybody else, but if you're just going to grab it, and I'll just go back to my yoink, I guess. I can do manual yoinks over here. Excuse me. Oh. Well, thanks everyone for stopping in, hanging out. I'll be winding down a little bit after this game. Been a busy day, a busy few weeks. Got dogs behind me whining. Hold on. Well, I don't think this PS Pie is gonna wake, huh? Kill it. Die. Ah. I can't even kill it from over here because I don't know how to see that. Everybody got persistence? I could drop my nuke and see what happens. The nuke would kick out that session. Drop the nuke! Okay, let me steal one more minute. So I got a bunch of shortcuts and things, partly because I want to be able to share on here without sharing the source, but... Oh, it's all based on PS proc, so never mind, my nuke won't work. Sad. Aww. Yeah, it basically... It hunts through the PS, output list, and it kills anything that's an active session, but it specifically maintains all of the mechanisms of the King of the Hill boxes, so I don't kill any real services. And I only use that really when someone has a loop that's gone awry. Someone's written something, like some people do mount loops, which is like a death sentence for the box, or you do some other loop that is going to like brick the machine if you don't kill it. Then I'll drop the nuke. But yeah, I don't know. I have never tried to solve this. Maybe we can try to solve this. Wrong FS type. Syslog D message. Oh, it unmounted like the entire file system? Ha! You can still like see everything. I don't know enough about the mounts and the file systems to know how you can undo everything, but how would you recover the proc mount? Let's see. Well, there's some people testing it out. Yeah, LSP, okay, that's a good one. Oh yeah, but it's not there. Are you asking if I can kill all the sessions in one go? Yeah. That's what the nuke is supposed to do. But it's all based on the proc. It like searches processes to know what to kill. It's a nuke. It doesn't nuke the box. It nukes everybody on the box. Yeah. It keeps the box alive. It's a nuke that's designed to save a box. Ironically, it nukes everybody to kick everybody out so that you have to come back in. And I don't use it. I use it to be a dick, but not very often. Or I use it to save the box because somebody's got a script that was going out and running amok. Wait, Linux boy, you're still here. You were asking me the other day on purpose to kill stuff, weren't you? Didn't you have? You said you loaded a script with the wrong name or something. You had something that was running that you needed me to kill for you. I think that was you. Oh, Matthew, I'm just now seeing your messages. What was this? Wait, what? What just happened to all the chats? All the chats in this chat just changed. Oh, Discord having issues? Whoa. If you try to undo the intercept syscall right and restoring the original syscall, are you able to prevent it? Interesting, Matthew, interesting. I don't know, because if you load something on top of it, then my method is considered the original. I don't know how you'd be able to undo it without unloading my module. Yeah, it is. I put a stupid amount of time in testing it just to build a Koth rootkit, but I learned all the pieces I needed to build it for anything, which is cool. Yeah, okay, I thought that was you. Yeah, Karen. Well, yeah, I think it's basically like you need to completely repartition everything. So, GG's. All right, Trap, where are we at? 19 to 8 or 18 to 8, 10-minute difference with 9 minutes to split. You want to let me tie? You win the tie. This is pissing me off. Maybe we'll look at that after I'm done. Is this my... Okay. Okay. I just do that out of muscle memory, man. I can't not try to look at the process list. Was that? I don't speak fluent, but good players in one game. Is that what that says? Yeah, we've had a few. Trap was asking earlier when the next next tournament was going to be. I'm going to host another tournament here one of these days. Come up with some rewards. Actually do like a real bracket. That'll be fun. Anti-rootkit would be a nice idea, but not signature based. Yep. Matthew, that's basically what I've been working on, is like all the ideas and tricks that I come up with to evade. I want to make sure, I want to find a way to detect them, but detect them not from like a signature of the kit itself, but the usage of it. You know, so you could actually, you don't have to have the, maintain all these different signatures of all these different versions. You can just understand, oh, they're doing this in this way. Basically, if you block me, you can't. I was trying my best to figure out how to sneak it in as a signed module without, what's it called? There's the config option, but it requires like a reboot. You actually have to like enable the setting that you want to have like custom signed, kernel modules, and then reboot the system and enable it that way. As far as I can tell, I'm still kind of a noob with the rootkit, like in terms of how to get that level of it done. But I wonder if I unload my rootkit, it might shit. The box might shit itself. Like it's already kind of shitting itself. Yeah, I guess it's too late. It's toast anyway. Huh? Oh, nice. That'll be cool, Matthew. The Userland rootkit. Yeah, I might make certain pieces of mine public, but I made the King of the Hill kit so good that I don't want to share it because it would be unfair. Kind of ruin the game. It's like give everybody the golden gun, It's like cheat codes in GoldenEye back in the day. God damn it, I'm old. Trav's probably the only one that got that one. Nintendo 64. Anybody? God, I do that out of habit. I can't not do that. I keep forgetting proc is fucked. What do you do? How do you look at proc without proc? I mean, I know PS probably tries to with... yeah, there's nothing there. They decided to update the kernels of COD. Yeah, I mean, half of the stuff that you're exploiting and doing, was based on the kernels. But Holmes is back. We got Holmes back. I'm gonna keep plugging and try to, worm my way into the Koth admin so I can help them make boxes. I would love to help make King of the Hill boxes, and that'd be really fun. No rush on it, Holmes. It's just a conversation I would like to have eventually, if possible. GoldenEye is the shit. Damn right, Caleb. Alright, what do we got? 5 minutes left? Trap, are you going to turn in 8 flags? Oh, really? Yeah, I know. I've been so busy. Like, I want to do the streaming and, try to hack me and stuff in general, but I don't have a lot of time going around. Oh, really? Is that just the unsigned, like module flag enabled, or is that something else custom that you did to block them? Wasn't it your post, Holmes? Like, there was one post that I read when I was first getting into Koth that straight up said rootkits are all good to go. But if it's a specific box meant to block them, that makes sense. I don't remember where it was. There was a... Yeah. I think you also wrote it was a separate like blog post that talked about like no clobber and some of the other stuff. Yeah. And I thought rootkit was like on the line, but it specifically said, if you can make a rootkit stable, go for it or something like that. And I was like, sweet, I'm going to do it. Making it stable for all boxes was a silly amount of work. Yeah. I'm F11 Snipe on Hack the Box as well. F11 Snipe everywhere for my hacker handle stuff. Yeah, Holmes, I can't even imagine. Like, I'm a, web developer, DevOps, systems engineer. I do all infrastructure and scaling for shitloads of projects, and it sounds like it'd be a fun problem. And that's the level I could contribute to as well. It's not just here's a VM, but I could contribute to, like, you know, an evolution of what is the next generation of scaling and automating the actual infrastructure behind it. That's the kind of thing I love. Gets me going for my day job. Yeah, I believe that. That's part of why Hack the Box limits the free ones to 15 minutes. All right, yeah, here's the post. Thank you, Caleb, for sharing. This is a really good post if anyone's interested in more, you know, King of the Hill info. I still don't know how to use Metasploit or Kali. Like any real tools. I'm just obsessed with building my own clobber. Yeah, this is a pretty good one. Where does it say rootkit? Yeah. Yeah. That was the hard part. Making a rootkit that I could do silently and safely. But I got it to work pretty well. When I go against Matthew, we break the box sometimes. Pivoting our friends. Oh. If only it was Koth related. Mm-hmm. Nine minutes. What, we're tied now? Alright. Trap, are you going to hand in all 8 or are you going to hand in more than 8? That sounds like a lot of projects that I know. I'm dusting off a lot of old stuff, and there's some are in that same boat. That's really funny. You don't clean the closet for so long, you don't want to clean it anymore, so you use a chair instead for all your clothes. Yeah, it's also my real life. My chair is my dirty clothes. I'm good at folding things. Usually, put them in the laundry at least. It's still trapped in there. Yeah, I'm going to share that link actually in my other channels. It's up to you, Trap. Roll the dice. Living dangerous. Alright, well, if you are going to do that, let me know, because then I'll steal the rest of King. Oh, alright. Well, I got to think of other things to do next stream. Trap wanted another tournament. I think I wanted to try my challenge mode, but do it in a way that's more automated or well defined. Like I build a box dedicated to the challenge mode, and then you just join it and do it on your own like a regular room. And try to break the challenge. But the challenge is king, so what do you get out of that? A flag? I could hide a flag in there somehow. Trap, how do I put a flag in V4 instead of king? Is there a way to do that? I suppose what if king starts with a flag in it? And you have to get it. No, because then you could just copy. The whole point is writing king on top of it. Maybe there's a listener for king that exposes a flag once you get it. I'm still trying PS. It doesn't work. I don't know what to do. Alright, I'm going to look at this puzzle again before I end the stream. It's 157 still here? No, he left. Oh, no, Holmes was here and I was looking at this earlier. He's probably going to cringe. He's like, no. Caleb, all versus snipe. I'm down for that. That'd be actually be fun. If I don't have my rootkits, it's pretty easy to kill me though. I've gotten spoiled and used to the rootkits. Yeah, Holmes, that's exactly what I was thinking, kind of. Nice. I'm still so far behind on Windows. I started dabbling a little bit more. Was with Tiggy Bean. I think she helped me get, what was that, Medium? Offline? I forgot already. One of those. I'm learning them. How do you evaluate after the fact? Trap, do you have enough to... Are those the 8 normal flag points? Am I going to tie you at 8? I'll give you 2 more minutes. And you're at 5:05. And I'm at 2:20, so I need what? 285? Really? 285 worth of flags? You must have cashed in expensive one double, you dick, didn't you? What is this, Shrek? Right? Because the total points on Shrek flags is 260. Hold on. Hold on. Let's turn these flags in. Okay, maybe. Oh, you dick. Oh, you have a 15-pointer left? Tell me you can do another 15-pointer. Please. Give me the last 2 points and you tie me. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta check out that new Red Team Network thing. I'm gonna try to tie Trap here if he'll have me with a 10th. You've already passed 8, bro. Oh, you still missing one? I thought you had all the 8 on this one. Mm-hmm. Oh. Well. Missing a 25 pointer? Yeah, you must be missing one of the. Yeah, there's a 15 and a 20. You're missing the one that I. Yeah. Come on, Trap. You can figure it out. You're missing this one. The one that I looked at the beginning. That was the last one I solved, too. Took me the longest. Buffer. I was going to ask what BOF was. Buffer overflow. That makes sense. When I was in school of computer science, we had a systems lab called Bomb Lab. It was one of the coolest assignments that we had. We got a precompiled bomb binary, and you had to run it and get through all the steps without blowing it up. If you blew it up, you lost points. It's all GDB and reversing and buffer overflow kind of stuff. It's wild. Aha! Well, Trap. Almost. Yeah, don't get yourself in trouble, Holmes, but it's nice to throw a plug in. I was talking with Zero Day a few weeks ago, and he was giving me a hint because he couldn't, expose a whole lot either. But he dropped a really basic line about the AWS and the Red Team stuff that came out. What was that, last week, 2 weeks ago? Not paying attention. But Zero Day's been busy enough with his own project. I've been helping with. All right. Well, it looks like 157 left. I might poke around that puzzle a little bit more, but. Anyways, I'm gonna call it. I gotta take a break, get some food. It's. Oh my God! Is it 9:30? My day. All away from me. Well, thanks everybody for joining. Anyone new, come and hang out more. Make sure you subscribe and come back. I'm bad at self-promoting. Also have a Discord if anyone is interested in joining the community. You fuck dick Trap. Don't do it. I swear. I don't play enough anymore. Steel Wing wins for me when I'm spamming, game after game after game. But I need to catch up to Matthias. He's still like 100 wins on me, man. I think. Uh-oh. Come on. More than 100. 123. Trap, you're in third now. I'm gonna see you climbing that ladder, sir. I want to share some links with the stream people before I go. This is a little app that I built. If anyone's interested in King of the Hill, more statistics and stuff. Have I shown this to you, Holmes? Have you seen this? I scraped all the Koth like JSON and put it in a database so I could kind of get my own stats machine out of it, and I used it as my Hello World to learn Oh, we did? Okay, cool. Yeah, I wanted to learn how to do GitLab, GCP, Kubernetes, and a bunch of other stuff because I was using that for a new project. So I did all that with this to learn new tech, which is cool. 76? I guess I haven't looked at those in a while. Yeah, I think actually I got part of my inspiration from that, Holmes, and a lot of my early, King of the Hill and everything else I started with. Your GitHub was a lot of what I started with for reference. I do remember that you had like a crawler or something that would like look at everybody's. Yeah, I had a little giveaway on my stream last time, and it was to people to guess the percentage of tie games of all time. Homes of all time of King of the Hill, where a king was found, because tie games with flags is a lot. So where a king was found, how many tie games do I own? Yeah, that's right. You made your own leaderboard. I could probably update that count, but it was I forget what it was. It was like, it was pretty high. 85, 86% of all ties are because I'm bored and I want to skew metrics. 86 was the winner, yeah. Well, now. All right, thanks everyone for joining. It's been fun. Turn this off. Come up with some more ideas. But thanks for stopping by. We'll do this again soon. All right, everybody. Have a good night.
Good night, dude. Or in my case, good morning.